records is very, very important. If you don't have one, make sure you get one. Yes, ma'am.
Would you recommend having more than one healthcare proxy?
No.
No.
For the individual?
Yeah.
No, you just want one fresh, updated one. You
No,
don't
no,
want
one person,
a healthcare agent.
agent.
Preferably not. You don't want too many cooks in the kitchen, you know, type of thing. I prefer, you know, primary then secondaries, sometimes 3.
Because they wouldn't, I recently had a family member in a nursing home, and they said because I wasn't on the healthcare proxy, they wouldn't talk to me.
Right, yeah, they won't. Yep, they can't because of the next takeaway, HIPAA authorization. How many of you have a HIPAA authorization? HIPAA law is Health Insurance Portability Accountability Act, big takeaway, one of the most overlooked legal documents in estate planning, from my view, in the last few years. HIPAA law has been around since 1996. It's medical confidentiality privacy laws. Even spouses like Joe and Marilyn cannot get access to each other's medical records. How long you guys been married? 25 years. So you can't get access whether it's 25 years or 55 years, okay? So you need that HIPAA authorization in your back pocket. If your loved one's going in for a medical procedure and you want to get a second opinion from a specialist in Boston, they're going to say, sure, we can do that, but give us your medical records. Healthcare proxy is not going to give you that. You want to have a HIPAA authorization release as part of your estate plan, so you can get access to medical records. Yes, Linda?
Honestly, I'll tell you, it's the best thing you can do. My dad passed away, and Medicare was fighting some of the charges the night he died. And I call up to, you know, fight the claim, and they're like, you're not authorized. I can't even tell you if there is a person authorized that we can talk to. And to get authorization, you need like this 8-page form, power of attorney, like it's miserable, and all you have to do is one little form prior to dying.
That's correct. Thanks for sharing the story, Linda. I know it's emotional, it's hard when the family's involved. But I like to have our HIPAA authorization like a 1-page standalone, so like it's easily read by the other parties. You don't bury it 30 pages into a document. So they'd have to give it to the legal department for, you know, a review a week later, 2 weeks later. Make it a 1-page standalone.